Less talking about gaming. There's one stock that I remember forever. It was in that range of around 50 to around 80 rupees. Take a look at what it's done in the last 1 year. Delta Corp is the stock I'm talking about. The stock, in fact, buzzing around in today's trading session. But a 1-year chart really tells you the picture. The way that stock has doubled, 115% in the last 12 months. And our very own research head, Varinder Bansal, caught up with Jaydev Mody, the non-executive chairman of the company, and he began by asking him the new ventures as well as what are the opportunities. Let's hear them out.
The opportunity presented was more opportunity-based than anything else. And opportunity presented itself by the government of Goa deciding to give 6 offshore licenses. And it was right there for the asking, and the terms of the letter of intent gave me an edge because I could move very, very fast, and I normally do. And we moved into it very quickly, but more opportunity-based than me actually going and looking out for this business.
This business is still considered to be a bit taboo. As you had your life of at least 30 years in businesses which are way away from this business. Was it difficult to convince your family? Your wife, 3 daughters, and everyone around. How much was it difficult for them to say, okay, look, I'm starting casino and that is my business from now on?
I didn't really have to convince them. A lot of them are not very excited about it, but everyone supported the idea, even if they didn't like it. And they saw it more as I saw it, a business rather than a taboo industry. And it's not really taboo. Well, gambling has been part of our culture from thousands of years. Overseas, it's not looked like in a negative manner. I think there are more negative industries like cigarettes, tobacco, and liquor, etc. This is much better. This is an entertainment thing. Goa is a tourist destination. It's drawing a lot of tourists, and this is not really a serious gambling destination. It's a mass market destination.
You are considered to be a risk taker, okay? Like whatever I've read about you, whether it was the redevelopment of mills in Mumbai, which was the first off to your mark, whether it was the first mall in Mumbai, which was again a first of its in India, or whether it's the gaming business, and all of them have a lot of regulatory challenges, Don't you get scared of, or tired of?
No, not yet. It hasn't happened yet. It's always excited me. And path-breaking new businesses are always going to pose challenges. And it's been fun for me. We've succeeded in everything new that we've done, whether it was the textile mills or making the first mall in the country, and then it's become a huge industry. As you know, there are thousands of malls starting from Crossroads, which we developed. And this as well, in Daman, how the regulatory issues have delayed the business, but we haven't given up. We keep at it, and we'll succeed, hopefully. And it's always been exciting and a challenge. So it doesn't tire me out or doesn't scare me. It excites me. I love it.
Who can I say was your biggest support system when it comes to coming to your second innings as an entrepreneur, building Delta Corp at the age of 52?
Yes, the biggest support I've ever had was from my wife. She's always supported me, and she's always helped. We always talked, and I think biggest motivator and support system comes from her.
How difficult was it to raise capital? Because you started as a textile company, Aero Webtex, okay, and then went into real estate, and then came the avatar of Delta Corp. How difficult was it to raise capital in the older days?
See, initially, it's always difficult, but once you've proven that you can, start businesses and run businesses, and you're willing to be passionate and hardworking and, straightforward in your dealings, the money comes. There's people who have faith in you and who read you right will fund you.